Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this series of videos in which we are showing you how you can manage the tracking of your qada salat. Sometime when, especially when the quantum of the qada salat is too much, and you need to, something to remind you that how far have you gone, how far you have to yet to go, and how to overcome the forgetfulness. This is the growing weakness. It's widespread all over the world, where especially when we are in the old age, then we start forgetting the things, and so there has to be some mechanism to remind you. But foremost thing is the tawbah. The first thing we do is the tawbah, that we will not be missing, rather delaying the mandatory salats, and we will be firm. We will be steadfast, right? And nothing we can do except the support of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So here is a hadith in front of us, and that tells that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the companion of the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Abu Huraira, has said the actions of people are presented twice each week in 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 front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The actions of people are presented twice each week, on Monday and Thursday. Every Monday and Thursday. Every trusting slave is forgiven, except for a slave who has enmity between him and his brother. It is said, leave these two until they turn in Tawbah. Leave these two until they turn in Tawbah. Allahu Akbar. So these are the words in Hadith. فيقال اتركوا هذين حتى يفيا حتى يفيا. فيقال اتركوا هذين حتى يفيا. So no. So these are the that shows that Tawbah is such a great virtue, a great act, uh, um, which which is very dear to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and He forgives so many people, but with the exception of these two things. So the moral of the story is that we should refrain ourselves from having a quarrel with our brothers and having any enmity between, and the good morals uh, and good ethics have to be promoted everywhere. Akhlaq, yeah. So for this we pray Allahumma ahsanta khalqi fa ahsin khuluqi. Allahumma ahsanta khalqi fa ahsin khuluqi. And so the tawbah is the main thing, and then we proceed to our lesson. In Excel we have made we have got a folder for it. So let's open that folder. Yeah, in here we have the VBA folder, and in this we have got our lesson files. Okay, so you have the first thing we got to do is we can make a copy. And once it is copied, then what we do, we rename it. Increase this number to +1, okay? And we remove this copy string from the end. And this is our new version for today. And we show you that how we can use this tool to remind us our Qada Salah performance activity, right? So as soon as we open it, it will tell you it is remove. Okay. As soon as we, so if such a thing comes, we got to double click on here, right? We are supposed to open this one, not the other one. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so it will offer you a message that you got to enable the macros, right? Enable the contents, right? So you enable it, and you will see that until yesterday, these things are done. With the basic idea of doing this is that you have done the tawbah. So that's why it is presuming you that you are not missing until yesterday any further prayers, right? And then what we got to do is you go on the top and click on double click anywhere. So this will bring you this in front of you. So until 3rd of June, you have entered your performance, 5 days prayers. Every day we are doing it. So we enter a new date activity that is 5. How many days? 5 days. And which day you have been on 4th, it is suggesting you accurately already. Okay, so you just click OK. So 5 more days, the figures are updated. and it is now 7,419 days left, right? Quite a big long route we have to go. We have to clear this backlog. Okay, so if we enter another sale, if you see what happens once you complete all these pending days of backlog. So this gray part will go away. So just to show you, I will undo it. I double click here. Instead of instead of 5, I type all 7,419 days. Okay, so I have prayed, which is not possible to be done on, but let's see. And we say, okay, do it on 5th of June. Okay, so if it is done, so it is as soon as it finishes, so it is finishing, it will update them. It will update its the chart, right? So it is doing very slow, but that is for sure due to some network issue. Otherwise, it is very fast. It does it very quickly. Okay, so let it complete, and I get back to you. So you can see it is almost done, and as soon as it stamps all the days of Qada Salat clearance of the backlog, you will see the chart will get updated, and you will see only two colors, this orange color and the blue color. This gray part will go away. So that's it. As you can see, it has done, it has completed it, and you can see that this is done. Okay, so to get it back, so this is was just to show you that this is our target which we got to achieve, and how that target looks like. This is the target that you have no gray area in that. Okay, so for the time being, 5th of June is being removed, right? And that's it. So that you have on this, you can click F9 to get it. Yeah, and you can, well, you can want to do one more thing, is that you can double click and re-enter the 4th of June. So let's click. So 5 trades you have performed on 4th of June. That's right. Right. So you have to press F9 for recalculate. Probably there is certain things which are, these things are not working. So we have to see that what has gone wrong. So we got to check this calculation. This is probably due to the calculation. It is not working. False. Yes, I found the issue. The issue that when I removed this date, I did not remove this page. So this is the reason why this was not showing. So what we do is we delete all these until the last what we did. Okay, so what we do here is we bring the data from the file which we have got. This is the reason why we do the backup, right? So I open the file and I bring the data in here. Okay, so this is the right one, and what I do here is from, yeah, I bring copy of all this. Yeah, I bring the copy of all these things and into this sheet. So after 3 is there. After 3, yes, I put a paste in here, or I can do the value paste as well. Okay, so better is to have a value paste in here, right? So we paste a value. So value, the number, values and number formatting. Okay, that's right. Okay, so this is how we have overcome the problem, and you will see our gray area gets back. Okay, so here we enter for this 4th of June. We double click on it. 5 days we prayed on 4th of June. That's right. And this gets you all the information here, and you can see that this is the chart is responding correctly. Okay, so this was an update for you, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. لوح بھی تو قلم بھی تو تیرا وجود الکتاب گنبد آبگین رنگ تیرے محیط میں حباب لوح بھی تو قلم بھی تو تیرا وجود الکتاب گنبد آبگین رنگ تیرے محیط میں حباب عالم آب و خاک میں تیرے ظہور سے فروغ ذرہ ریگ کو دیا تو نے طلوع آفتاب لوح بھی تو قلم بھی تو تیرا وجود الکتاب گنبد آبگین رنگ تیرے محیط میں حباب ذرہ ریگ کو دیا تو نے طلوع آفتاب شوکت سنجر و سلیم تیرے جلال کی نمود فقر جنید و بایزید تیرا جمال بے نقاب شوکت سنجر و سلیم تیرے جلال کی نمود فقر جنید و بایزید تیرا جمال بے نقاب لوح بھی تو قلم بھی تو تیرا وجود الکتاب گنبد آبگین رنگ تیرے محیط میں حباب شوق تیرا اگر نہ ہو میری نماز کا امام میرا قیام بھی حجاب میرا سجود بھی حجاب شوق تیرا اگر نہ ہو میری نماز کا امام میرا قیام بھی حجاب میرا سجود بھی حجاب تیری نگاہ ناز سے دونوں مراد پا گئے عقل و غیاب و جستجو عشق حضور اضطراب تیری نگاہ ناز سے دونوں مراد پا گئے عقل و غیاب و جستجو عشق حضور اضطراب لوح بھی تو قلم بھی تو